In a world where a ceiling fan rules with sarcasm, a hapless traveler negotiates wine politics using snacks. The survival plan hinges on building a shelter from grocery bags, singing to the fan until it cools its ego. When the power blips, our hero harvests caffeine from instant noodles, uses fork as lightning rod, and conducts snack budget oracle. Every crisis is a punchline as the audience learns heroic Daker tips to appease rebellious appliances and keep doors from squeaking. By finale, the duo hosts a peace summit between toaster and blender, sealing it with synchronized dance moves and crumbs.